more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Hunt, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Tarrant. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC 56. Denton, Ellis, UF, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. The current time is 10:08 a.m. Central